One of my earliest childhood heroes growing up was Bruce Lee. I loved his movies. And when I was a teenager, I learned about philosophy and physical fitness. And he became very influential to me in terms of personal development and physical training and physical fitness. And one of my favorite quotes, I remember seeing a clip of him on a TV show. It was in black and white. And he said, "Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water." Now you can put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. Put water into a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be like water, my friend. And that's a good philosophy for life. Learn how to adapt, persevere, overcome, and you will succeed in life. Create your own blueprint on how to live well.